Good noon, friends. This is actually Suganti Kannan, and this is a long run work of mine. It's a bunjing style of Banyan Ficus Banyan Bengalensis bonsai. And see, I've tried it for a different type of style known as octopus style. You know the aquatic animal octopus and how its tentacles will trail down. So like that I've done it, and it is long year of traction. The wires are even yet not removed, and it is just left over, and you can see the sturdy trunk of it. It is actually a 30 years old one, and just for repotting I took it yesterday. I've got it just like a mold beneath with the grasses what I have placed for the aesthetic value. And now this is an erect style with the bunjing style. Recently I've tried with the octopus type like tentacles, and you can see the long shot view of it. Now I will prune these grasses for you and give a little bit more clear view of the root, okay, or the nebari. And the adjacent Ficus bengalensis is a root over rock, a slanting type of bonsai. And so this is with me for past 10 years. You can see the crinkled limestone rock, and over that the root has just creeped over. You can see the long shot view of this also. It's a bifid trunk, and from that many branches are arising. And also for your notification, due to lack of manuring, see the leaves has got some white patches. This is called chlorotic patches due to the mineral deficiency. And when I fertilize it, I will just let you know. And now regarding the root part, I will just trim these grasses for you, okay. And as I'm doing it solo, I'll try to give you the best maximum view of this root nebari to be exposed for you people. I'm just giving it. It is 30 years of maintenance with me, and so this is a very rugged bonsai. It's little bit difficult for me to lift it alone, and nowadays I don't get any helpers even for maintaining this. So you can see the prop roots also. When I just prune the grasses, I think you get a better view of the twisted roots which are getting down beneath it. I think I'll call my baby just for an assistance of this video. Vara? Just come and hold it, come. See, when I'm just pruning it, you can see the nebari, and you can see how many branches have come down. And I'll try removing these traction wires for a better view. And so this is unfortunately no more. I'll remove the sleeve, and I think you get a better vision of this. So at the maximum I've started to remove it, and day after tomorrow I don't want to give a sudden shock of root pruning and shoot pruning immediately all together. So just hold it like that. And see, having uprooted it from that pot, the other pot, you can see the cake-like structure of the root ball. Just like that it has been uprooted. And I'll show you the other side view of this bonsai. See the root twisting and everything. And but in spite of all these things, they've got a beautiful lush green leaf. And I'll just give a sprinkle of some organic fertilizer such that it will rejuvenate back. And so you can see the beauty of this banyan root here. And I'll show it to you the next video, still after pruning and removing the soil, because presently as I've uprooted it from some other pot and it is a scorching sun, I don't want to give sudden shock for the plant as such. So for today I'll just prune it, the unwanted weeds and the grasses around. But actually this is a Korean grass which was just like a bed. Due to the hot scorching sun, it started drying. But after pruning, see, it has started to get back to its greenery, back to its original state. Okay, like back to the pavilion. So I think you get a better view of the root nebari here now. Yes. So this is a typical octopus style, like tentacles I've tried. And in the second video, I'll just remove the, I'll try removing the maximum here. I think rather than the former view, you get a better view of these things. And so this is the final view of my 30 years of octopus style Ficus bengalensis bonsai, and that is the root on rock bonsai on a limestone rock, and this is a slanting type of bonsai. I think you can see the slanting view of this rock bonsai. And so you enjoy this, and this is the final long shot view of both these bonsais. And I'll give a close-up view again. You can see the inclination of the plant and the root grown well on the rock. You can see the nebari, yes, the trunk and the canopy.